Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to automatically turn off your PlayStation 5 controller after 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you can check your PlayStation 5 controller's battery life if you go to the control center. Now, if you want to preserve your battery life, let's say you're watching Netflix or maybe you just walked away and you want your controller to automatically turn off so the battery doesn't drain. If we go to the home screen and then go to settings, we want to go down to where it says system right here and select this. Then go on down to power saving. Then go to the right and go to set time until controller turns off. So we can select this. It says 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or don't turn off ever. So I watch Netflix sometimes on my PlayStation 5, and after 10 minutes, my controller will automatically turn off, saving me battery life. Now, to turn it off a little bit quicker, you can press the PlayStation button. Then you can go to accessories. You can go to your wireless controller, select this, and you can go to turn off under this screen as well. And your controller will turn off as soon as you press that button. Otherwise, you can go to your controller and you can find the PlayStation button right in the middle, and you can hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds and you'll notice the light bar will turn off. So you won't need your PlayStation 5 around to go ahead and do this. So it should turn off right now, and my PlayStation 5 controller is off. And I am now saving battery life. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.